Awareness of the student to help eliminate STDs. What is STD or sexually transmitted diseases? Sexually transmitted diseases or sexually transmitted infection rank among the most important health issues for the people, especially young adults worldwide. Young people tend to engage in sexual activity at a younger age in the past decade than in the 1970s, 80s, and 90s. STDs or STI are infectious that are passed from one person to another through sexual contact. The contact is usually vaginal, oral, or anal sex, but sometimes they can spread through other intimate physical contact because some STDs like herpes and HPV are spread by skin-to-skin contact. There are more than 20 types of STDs including HIV or AIDS, public lice, HPV, chlamydia, gonorrhea, or trichomoniasis caused by bacteria, viruses, and parasites. If an STDs have symbols, they include unusual discharge from penis or vagina, sore or warts on the genital area, abnormal vagina odor, abnormal pain, fever, but to avoid infections is not have anal, vaginal, or oral sex. Why is it important to raise awareness about sexually transmitted diseases? From the word awareness, it is a preventive action to instill the individual certain concept to improve their health. It is an essential element in the prevention of sexually transmitted diseases and early pregnancy among adolescents. How can the youth like us be helped in preventing and controlling STDs? Only not having sex at all, or using condoms if you do. Here are tips on how to prevent STDs. Keep monogamous relationships. Practice abstinence. Be committed. Use caution. Undergo regular medical checkups. Be knowledgeable about the causes, effects, and prevention of STDs. Awareness can reduce STDs-related stigma, fear, and discrimination, and ensure people to have the tools and knowledge to prevent, test for, and treat STDs. Thank you.